Hi everyone, welcome back to today's live stream with Golden Girl. Hi Saf Quarterly, welcome back my friends. Hello. Alright, it's so fast and today is already Friday, right? And you can see that gold price has already reached to a new new high level around 50.42. After nearly 3 weeks decrease and facing with a very strong selling pressure, very strong selling pressure. And now in today Asian session, at the end of Asian session, gold price had reached to the highest price zone around 50.42. Hi Sap Training, hi Noreen. Hi Junior, welcome back my friends. How are you? I remember you told me that you were lost significantly last time. Yeah, so how is your trading result recently? Do you get calm enough and coming back to trade? Hi Musab, welcome back my friend. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like today's live stream video and subscribe my channel to support me to develop my channel getting better every day so that I can give you qualified scalping signal on my live stream. Thank you so much. We're earlier today. Oh, what do you mean earlier, my friend? Yeah, if you are my VIP channel, VIP members, we just hit 90 pips for the buy signal around 13 to 28. Yeah, 90 pips, very strong and very quickly with this buy position. And now, you see that 5-minute time frame starts to form a very strong, a very long, lower wick. Okay, so let's see what is happening in 1-minute time frame. Okay, so I will see the further direction movement of gold price and decide to let you re-enter for second round if gold price coming back and hit the previous entry. But let's see the momentum, which size that the market choose, and it also depends to the candlestick shape. Are you in a trade? Yeah, just quit it after reaching 90 pips. So let's wait for the further order. And my gold trading plan, just makes around 4 pips for 80 pips profit. So it's kind of pity, but I wonder if have you entered any position earlier compared with my gold trading plan entry? Sell signal. Yeah, sell signal. Let me check. It's dropping down from 15.27. Okay, it's starting accumulating around 5032 area in 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let's take a look at the bigger picture. 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame. Okay guys, you can see that it's heading to the previous peak around 5040, yeah, to 5045. And this is also belong to the neckline. Yeah, you see this very strong bearish candle. It was a crazy one. Thursday, yeah, last week, Thursday 12/15, Thursday 12 February, last week, right? And this is also the starting of this powerful bearish candles. And that is why when gold come near, yeah, gold price reach to this price zone, it will have a short-term downtrend. Now this is the stations of a lot of sellers located here. And you can see, yeah, range is kind of wide, so that's why I need to wait for the reaction and the momentum to decide which is the safe entry for us to enter a scalping signal. Alright, because we are scalpers, so our entry and our stop loss is very tight, just around minus 50 pips for the stop loss. So that's why we need to consider very carefully for any entry. Thank you so much, Sifi, for your call to action. Thank you so much, my friend. Okay, and today is already Friday, and as I remind you every time I online to live stream with you, Friday is a sensitive time for all traders because that is the time they do not want to keep their money, yeah, in their account until next week. So that is the time traders usually take profit, yeah, and exit to the market. And also we have we have a few important news: advanced GDP quarter over quarter, and core PCE. Yeah, those are very important news and public at the same time. So it will have a lot of direction that these results will follow. Okay, so just prevent the liquidity sweep for both sides. Yeah, to kill both buyers and sellers. You need to control, okay, manage your position, opening position near this time, 2:30 p.m. according to France time. Yeah. And also we have an orange node at this time as well. Alright, so I cannot make sure they will follow the same direction. Positive, negative, they are the same. We don't know, right? I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. So that's why near this time, if you want to protect your trading capital and your profit, I advise you to close a part of your opening position. And now we will wait around 5 to 10 minutes after news release for the markets getting more stable. And that's time you can enter again. All right. And if you want to trade news with me, yeah, as usual, you can send me direct message on Telegram and I will instruct you how to join in my VIP channel. And there are two ways. Yeah, there are two ways. One way I can support you free, get a free VIP access if you can open your trading account under my link and meet the deposit levels. So that is when I can support you get the free VIP access. Okay, and another way is paying a few money, yeah, a few fee, less than $50 a month. So you will get the VIP access to gold and forex. Yeah, it depends to your choice. So that is my brief introductions about how to trade safely, yeah, with a VIP channel. Okay. All right, and in 1 hour time frame, you see that gold price is nearly freeze around around 50.34, and this candle is very tiny, yeah, very tiny, and the body is nearly disappear. It's just a cross line, you see, and it shows you a hesitation between sellers and buyers. Yeah, market makers do not want market increase significantly right now, right? Because the body of the candle is very tiny. Yeah, so we need to wait for the clearer direction from the market, and this is the time. This is the time for us to take a rest and recharge. Yeah, recharge before we enter to today's important trading session in New York. Gold selling? Not yet, not yet. I'm waiting for gold price is heading back to previous entry around 58, 28, yeah, to 30. So let's see, yeah, let's see if we can re-enter for this trade or not. We just ended, yeah, we just ended with the previous bullish candle. Yeah, bullish candle. You see the market is start forming a higher highs. Yeah, higher highs. It's already far away from EMA, below EMA 34. Yeah, so it's gonna be a retracement for a while before heading to the previous uptrend. I would like to check a little bit with the RSI as well. Okay, so it's in the middle. Yeah, in the middle, around 62 area. And now it's nearly moving sideways. Yeah, if you see RSI, all right. However, it still shows us a strong determination of market maker to help gold price increase significantly in today's trading session. Today markets do not move in high volatility. All right, you can see the body of 1 hour candle is kind of normal. Yeah, it's kind of normal, and the range is acceptable. It's not crazily like this time. Yeah, it's not crazy like this time. It can move up to 100 pips in 1 minute, 1 minute time frame, right? So this is not a safe signal as well. Yeah, to be honest, it's not a safe signal. Anytime you see the market keep quiet and follow the direction strictly, follow our analysis, that is when, yeah, the market is gradually make us let our guard down. Yeah, make us let our guard down. And only one time you forgot to set a stop loss, or you burden, yeah, you step on to your wrong direction, wrong analysis. Yeah, that is when you become the shark bait. Okay, so it's heading down gradually to our previous entry. So this one. Let's see. What if we can re-enter or not? Wow, Babinka. Wow, such a good trading result. Yeah, touch wood. All right. Thank you so much for trusting me and have a great profit. And I hope that you can, yeah, you can trade with me long time and together we make money from this market. Thank you so much, my friend. So if you like Babinka, yeah, you can see that you can earn profit easily. But you cannot forget the discipline. All right, discipline is also a very important factor that help you, yeah, make money besides the VIP signal. All right. Yeah, I'm very happy that you received this good news. Yeah. Thank you so much and congratulations on your great profit once again. Let's see in 1 minute time frame. There was a gap here. Yeah, there was a gap. All right. Yeah, you can see that the bearish momentum is very strong. And I don't think that it will stop for the bearish one. So that's why I'm hesitate. Yeah, I'm hesitate to re-enter for this entry once again. You see it's already hit up. And now moving between, yeah, EMA 200 and EMA 89. Risk management, yeah, indeed. When the market challenging, you know, and if you forget about risk management, just trust to the VIP signals only. Yeah, it's easily kill your account, even though that we have VIP channel, but it cannot make sure that help you to increase profit stable. Yeah, stably. All right, keep going. All right, keep going like this, and don't forget discipline. All right. So you can spend a part of your profit to trade safely in today's sensitive market, my friend. Yeah, today's sensitive market. Let's see how this 1 minute candle appears. How it is going. Let's see. I'm afraid the last time, yeah, you see, when the market continues receive the bullish support from one price zone like this time, and when we re-enter again, yeah, it's easily collapse. Okay, so just share with you a little bit. Important time frame, yeah, we need to pay attention to in today's New York session, all right? And near 4 p.m., we will have PMI. Yeah, in an Asian country, if it's already late in your country, just go to bed and relax early. We will coming back and trade next week, okay? You see that the bullish candle, the bullish momentum is not strong. It's not strong enough to conquer the previous level around 34 and 33. So this time when it touched to 32 and got the bearish momentum once again, like I just told you, it easily break down. It easily break down. So let's see that what I just said correct or not. Let's just feel this liquidity gap. But I don't think the bullish momentum will happen in the short term. Okay, so guys, do you open any position right now? Do you open any position right now, my friend? If this 1 minute candle break down from 28, 50, 28, you see. Below support zone is waiting for gold. $20 to $22. This price zone is very sensitive because I cannot make sure yet it will continue for the bullish or bearish direction. It can happen anyway. It can happen for any scenario. So it's not safe. It's kind of not safe for us to choose which direction to go. Let's see how this 1 minute candle end. The bullish momentum is not strong enough to convince me. To be honest, it's not strong enough to convince me to follow the bullish once again. Even though that we already had a successful signal a few minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, and it already hit 90 pip. But this time it's not convinced enough, strong to convince me enough. Any bullish trap can happen. You see it got immediately bearish rejection, bullish rejection. All right, my friends, do you have any point of view for today gold market? Anyone? You see that it's just accumulating around 50.28. All right, it's dropping down. Breakdown. Yeah, breakdown from 28. Okay, let's set up a sell signal. Yeah, a small lot to explore. Okay, guys, I just set a sell signal. We're around the entry. Yeah, we're still at the entry. Our target will be 30 pips. Yeah. 50 pips. And so on. Because this one is just checking for the momentum, so I advise you enter small lot, okay, to protect your capital and your profit. Okay, let's set and wait and see. Are you clear for today trading signal, my friend? I hope you can listen to me. All right, if you enter for bad position, just close it, exit it, okay, exit the bad entry. We are watching 1 minute time frame and I zoom it out so you can see that it's kind of wide for the candlestick. It's kind of big for the body of the candle, but this is a 1 minute time frame, okay? Yeah, this signal around 20 pips. Heading down to 25 and coming back to the entry. All right, we enter for 28 and exit the bad entry. take a deep breath and let's see what is going on up next. So Wasim and Sabi, do you enter for this sell signal, my friend? Do you enter for this sell position? Okay, so if you enter at entry 28, yeah, just keep it tightly. All right, keep it tightly. Oh, you enter at 21. Oh, it's kind of low. Did you enter too early, my friend? May I know that position? When did you enter? Junior? All right, enter 28. Okay, good luck to all of us. Okay, good luck to all of us. Now you see that it's just dropping down to 25 and then it's got the short-term recover heading to 31 or 30. All right, this one, yeah, it's got 20 pips profit and then hit the stop loss. Okay, so the first one is not working. Okay, let's wait. Next round, let's exit this trade. Yeah, it's hit a stop loss at 31. Exit it. We will recover next time, okay? Find another signal to recover next time. Don't try to hold it if we're wrong. Yeah, just quit it. That's why I advise you. Yeah, I advise you enter small lot. If we lose, it's not a big deal. Yeah, to recover again. Now the bullish momentum is very strong and don't FOMO to the current price because there's a lot of resistance zone up here. Gold price can adjust anytime. Yeah, can retrace anytime. And once again, you see that 1525 is a strong support zone. Yeah, we need to pay attention to this price zone. For the next trading session is about to come. $50.25. Okay, $50.25. Alright, so artwork that is start reverse. bearish reverse. Back into our entry once again, and it hit the stop loss and back to the entry. So annoyed, right? He's really annoyed. It's dropping down, heading to our entry once again. And that's this when it touched to 50.33. Yeah, 50.33. So you can see that gold price is moving in a narrow range. It's just around 7 to 80 pips, which means $7 to $8 price zone. In today overlapping time to the London to New York session. Okay, so let's see it will coming back to 50.25, and let's see how is it reaction. Yeah, so this time it's dropping down. Ooh. Let's see, it will break down. Yeah, break down 25 or another time. Got a bullish support or not? It already has a lot of bearish candle. Yeah, another bullish candle appears. But I don't think, the bullish momentum will last long. A few seconds later, you see, the bearish momentum is coming back and controlling the market. Once again, it's having the reaction around 25. Yeah, around 50-25 area. But let's say this time it's officially heading back, having a bearish reversal or not, or just a temporary reaction. All right. Okay, so let's buy around 50, 20 to 18. Okay, and stop loss will be set around 14. Second signal into J live stream. It's really annoyed that it follow our analysis, but it hit the stop loss before it follow our analysis. Yeah, so annoyed. But no worry, I set up another signal for you to trade again. Buy around 20 to 18. This one you see very strong candle wick, strong and long candle wick, which shows you a strong bullish momentum appears at this area. So that's why I choose this price zone, yeah, to set up the buy signal. Let's be patient. Okay, let's be patient. It's coming back near to our entry around 40 pips. Yeah, 40 pips left to hit our entry. All right, so it's gonna be happened anytime for any surprising. Okay, you see you can set the limit buy order. Yeah, and just let the market run if you are busy with your work. Okay, another bullish candle appears. Now it's do not wait for us to active for this one. Anyone still hold any position? Anyone still opening any position right now? Okay, meanwhile waiting for this signal to be active. Yeah, let's take a look to BTC analysis. Okay, you can see that, yeah, the rectangle box I draw for you last time is dropping down to this below border, and that is when it confirmed for the bearish momentum occur for a few days, dropping down to 65,000 K and $700 level. All right, and after that it hits to support zone and reversed to 68,000. However, you can see that it's still accumulating around 3 EMA ribbons. Yeah, market do not shows you a clear direction so far, and you can use this tool, aggressive regressive trend, okay, to measure the channel of BTC moving in the short term. And you see if it's break down to this trend line to the below channel, you can enter for sell position. Yeah, sell position, and watch for the next target will be at 67,200 $200 level. All right. This is the trick for you to use this tool, yeah, to set the buy or sell position. This is when we trade, yeah, by choosing breakout or breakdown strategy. In the short term, you see that it had a quick recover, $2,000 for BTC, but I think it will not last long because you see it immediately got the bullish retraction where it touched to EMA 200 in 1 hour time frame. So that is not a strong bullish determination of market maker to make BTC recover to previous price zone at least 70K. Yeah, so far we just follow to the channel, follow with the trend. Trend is our friend, and yeah, I just share with you. You see that is not stopped for a strong bearish momentum so far. Breakout from the below channel, below trend line, and continue for the bullish for the bearish momentum. However, the target will be around 60,100 to 60,300. Yeah. Okay. This EMA 34 and 89 is acting a dynamic support zone. So we do not let our guard down to this level. All right. If you already enter for the sell position, you can take partials. Take partials for your profits first, and then yeah, you can wait for a better entry and re-enter. Okay, and enter around this channel, breakdown channel is already a good choice for everyone. Around 60K and 600. Yeah, this one I marked for you. And just use this channel, okay, and continue to watch the further reaction when it break down or come near to resistance and support zone. Another resistance zone is 68,300. If it's breakout, yeah, it's breakout from this area, you can enter for buy position in the short term. Why I said in the short term? Because there's a lot of resistance zone that it will face. Yeah, BTC will facing in the near future if it got a bullish support. At least that it will recover to 69, yeah, 69,000. 69,000 first. All right. So just use this tool, yeah, regression trend, draw from bottom to the top, yeah, at the wave, okay, and you can see the channel breakout or breakdown on the current candlestick appears on the trading view. All right, that is how I set up a quick signal. Going back to entry. Oh, really? Okay, coming back to gold. All right, coming back to gold right now. Oh, right. Where's our signal? Well, what just happened? Where's our signal? Oh, the signal disappeared. Okay. I will enter. I will type it again. All right, 20 pips. Buy from 19 to 20. And sorry, I need to check which is it's hit 30 pips, right? Wow. Oh no, 50. Yeah, and now this signal already got 30 pips. Oh, what did I do to my signal? And it was disappear. Okay, I just retype. All right, congratulations for your profit is running. It's back into the entry. Is it a correct go? Oh, right, I'm opening. Wow, I'm opening FXCM. Oh, that's why I didn't see it when I chose Wonder. 30 pips. So it's really weird. I don't know. Now I don't know. Yeah, I really don't know. When we're watching the trading view a long time, it didn't hit to our entry. But when we watch all the assets, yeah, it hit our entry immediately. Oh, it's a magic. It's a magical. All right, my friends, did you take parcels when it hit 30 pips? Okay. You can move your stop loss around 17. Yeah, this trade, just trade safely. Set a stop loss tightly. If it hits back to the entry, yeah, we will wait for another signal. $17 is the lowest level. Five minutes later, 5 minutes left, 1 hour candle will close. A market will tell us which side they choose. Oh, it sounds like a spell, right? But you can see, yeah, gold price is facing with the short-term selling pressure right now. Let's see. Everything will be clear, yeah, for more than 2 minutes. All right. I advise you to set the stop loss around 17. Yeah, it's already hit. So this signal, yeah, got 30 pips and then it reversed to bearish one. Yeah, bearish momentum. A few seconds later, oh, a bullish momentum is coming back gradually. Alright, this 5 minutes candle is very important for our decision in the upcoming New York session. Yeah, you can see that the bullish momentum is coming back with a few seconds. The candlestick is forming a candle wick. Okay, so if anyone's still in this trade, yeah, just keep your entry tightly, your stop loss tightly, and I think that in today's upcoming New York session, yeah, market will have the recover again because in the overlapping time it's already facing with the very significant bearish momentum, but this just happened for a short term, yeah, because most of the candles is still above EMA 200. All right, and continue receive the bullish support when it touches to the key support zone. All right, and this is the I would like to introduce with you a little bit about the bull prime broker I usually share with you, yeah, on the previous live stream session. If you can consider open the live trading account under my link, yeah, cooperating with Bull Prime from Australia, and meet my deposit levels. Okay, meet my deposit levels. I can support you to join in the VIP channel for free. All right, free VIP access, and you can trade every day, every weekdays with a qualified scalping signal in the VIP channel. Okay, so thank you so much, my friends, for joining my live stream today, and I hope that we had a great trading session together. Okay, see you next time. Thank you so much for your participation. Have a lovely weekend ahead. Goodbye. See you next time.